Set up configuration for Shopify plugin. Click on New button to create new Shopify stores. Insert Shopify API info. Click on Save button to save Shopify stores. You can view and edit the Shopify stores. Go to Shopify defaults and syncs. Click on New button to create a new Shopify defaults and sync. Set Shopify defaults and Shopify sync. Click on Save button to save the setting. You can view and edit Shopify defaults and syncs. Mapping location from Shopify to AutoCount. Enter Shopify location and select a AutoCount location. Click on Add button to map the location. Please make sure a Shopify location value exists, otherwise you cannot map the location. Mapping payment method from Shopify to AutoCount. Enter Shopify payment method and select AutoCount payment method, then click on Add button to map payment method. Mapping debtor from Shopify to AutoCount. Tick to select debtor, you can match with existing debtor. You also can create new debtor with select new control account and insert company name. Click on Save All button to save all debtor mapping. You also can select multiple item then use autofill to get Shopify value insert as customer name, company name and etc. Debtor mapping log to show currently mapped debtor. Mapping item from Shopify to AutoCount. Tick to select item. You can match with existing item or item package from AutoCount. You can create new item with insert new item code, UOM and UOM rate. Click on Save All button to save all item mapping. You also can select multiple item then use autofill to get Shopify value insert as item code, UMO and etc. Item mapping log to show currently map item. You can create new order entry to manage your pending order.